Hi, Pinewood. I'm going to give you a very quick tour of this Schoology parent interface. And there's a couple of areas where upper campus and middle campus are using it slightly different. The first thing I want to show you is you will have received an email that looks something like this. Look for it. It's from notifications at schoology.com. It's going to say that I've created an account for you for Schoology, and we've used the email address that you have in Veracross. So if that is not a correct email address, please change your email address in Veracross and then let us know. But here you'll get the link to schoology.pinewood.edu. This will be your email address, and it'll give you a temporary password that you'll have to reset. If you don't receive this, please take a look in your junk mail folder or send an email to it@pinewood.edu, and we'll have that resent for you. There's a lot of stuff we could click on in here. I'm just going to show you the very basics of the interface. So here it puts you into your Schoology area. You're probably not going to really care about this. Okay, I uploaded a classic picture for our parents' view. But what you're going to care about is up here in the top right-hand side. This will be your name up here. And as I click on it, you'll see your children or your child. Here, obviously, I have a lot of children for Pinewood Parent. We have a lot of temporary students that we do some testing with. But here I'm going to go and choose Francis. So you'll choose your child, and over here you'll see the recent activity. And here you can see that there was a lot of grades happening for Francis. That's not going to be a normal thing from one class, but you'll see that in there. At the top right-hand side up here, you can see graded assignments, so I could click on that. And it shows me all of the assignments that have recently have grades. And over here, these are the names that the teacher has given the assignment. Some of these are high numbers, right? 82. I'm just going to guess that that was out of 100. Down here, 9 is obviously hopefully less than 100. But you can take a look here. So this homework, this test assignment, as I click on it, you can see the information about it. There are no teacher comments on here, but up here in the top right hand corner I can see the grade, A-, 9 out of 10. Excellent. I'm going to click back. Test and quizzes, you can see those as well. And so you could click through there. But a couple of areas you're going to probably want to see most often is up here at the top. I'm going to click grades and go to grade report. Here you'll see your child's courses, and I'm going to select this Technology 204 course because I know there's a number of examples in here. So you'll be able to see, very much like Veracross, for those of you at Upper Campus that are used to Veracross, you'll see all of the assignments, the grade they have on the assignment, any teacher comments in here. And at the bottom, if this is turned on, you'll see the calculated cumulative grade. Now this is something that they'll be using at Upper Campus from time to time. At Middle Campus, I believe that that's only going to be on at certain times, maybe at the quarter and the semester. There'll be some communication for you for that. So at Middle Campus, don't be surprised if this course grade is not there when you go to look, because most of the time that is going to be turned off, but you will still always be able to see all of these assignment grades right here. And then you could click through the other courses. Attendance, I'm going to click that same class. At Upper Campus, we will not be using the attendance here in Schoology. We're still going to be using Veracross because Veracross allows us to generate some very needed attendance reports. At Middle Campus, they are going to be using the attendance feature, so you'll be able to see this days that are absent, late, and excused. The other thing that you will be interested in is up here on the right hand side, this calendar. And as I click that, that's going to take me to your child's calendar. And here I can see the dates that assignments are due. In this example, I don't have the entire month filled out. Obviously, your son or daughter will have a lot more things in here and the various courses that they have. And you can also look at this at week and day view. Something to note as I go back here, if you're in week or day view, know this, the default time that something is due in Schoology is 11:59 p.m. So it's due that day. Your teacher may change that. Obviously, this homework test assignment here was changed to 10 a.m. If your teacher hasn't changed that, you're going to see it down here at 11:59. So you will have to scroll down to see that. Otherwise, I think most people use the month view so they get more of a big visual of what's happening. Under grades up at the top, I don't believe that we're going to be using any mastery grades. If any of your teachers are using that for any reason, you'll see that in there, and then you can get to attendance quickly from there. You don't need to worry about groups. Okay? And here is a list of your child's courses that they have. So that's it. That is, let me come over to the middle here and say thank you for joining me. If you have any questions about getting into this or anything else about the technical aspects of this, send an email to it@pinewood.edu, and myself or someone on my team will be able to help you. If you have an issue with a grade or anything like that, like normal, you'll contact your teacher. Thank you. Have a great day.